Imagine if I said there's a next-generation pet that can actually learn, interact, and respond to your touch without any cleanup, zero hazards, and movements so lifelike that countless children start caring for it just like a real pup. Even better, a robotic companion that won't nip, doesn't leave fur everywhere, causes no allergic reactions, and genuinely grows alongside your kid. Today, I'm revealing the smart robot that's capturing the hearts of families and children across the globe. And by the time we're done, you'll understand exactly if Wuffy is the right fit for your household. Oh, and the official site link is down in the description if you'd like to check it out. Wuffy is the first robotic puppy featuring genuinely responsive behavior, powered by sophisticated onboard artificial intelligence. While typical toys simply repeat programmed sequences, Wuffy actually adapts to your child's actions. It walks, yaps, dashes around, sits down, wags enthusiastically, responds to petting, tilts its head, and even displays an adorable little grin. Everything flows with seamless, organic movements that closely mirror an actual puppy. The cherry on top? It's game ready straight out of the package. Just envision this scenario. Your child pets Wuffy for the very first time. Its tail starts wagging, it takes a tiny step closer, and lets out that signature enthusiastic puppy app. Within minutes, the robot begins picking up on routines, moving nearer when it detects engagement, and actively seeking more attention. It's almost like witnessing the emotional development of a living pet, minus the mess, the stress, and any chance of your child getting hurt. Countless parents report that Wuffy helped build compassion, concentration, and even cut down on device usage. It tracks. This is a toy that interacts back, ignites imagination, and promotes hands-on play. Numerous households have tried it and given glowing reviews, particularly those who wanted an animal companion but weren't quite prepared for the commitment of an actual one. So here's what makes Wuffy special. Responsive learning. The more your child engages, the more Wuffy picks up and reacts. Incredibly lifelike actions. Strolling, sprinting, sitting, responding to strokes, tail movements, all remarkably fluid. Secure, enriching, and engaging. Play ready immediately. It's literally the ultimate companion every kid dreams of having and every parent wants to provide. Here's another major advantage. Wuffy includes an exclusive satisfaction promise, so if it doesn't meet expectations or your child doesn't connect with it, you can get your money back without any complications. Now, the official site link is in the description below. Make sure to purchase exclusively from there to steer clear of knockoffs or outdated models without the upgraded AI. If you're looking to give your child an intelligent, enriching, interactive companion with authentic puppy behavior, Wuffy is absolutely one of the top options available today. Hit that official site link in the description, browse the current deals, and grab your Wuffy while supplies last. And if this breakdown was useful, smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit subscribe for more content like this.